Time for a letter, hip hip hooray! Let's learn about the letter J today. J is for jam, sweet and yummy. J is for jet, way up in the sky. J is for juice in a big glass jar. J is for jellyfish, shimmering like a star. The letter J! We love the letter J! Yay!
Hi, Super Readers! Today we are jumping for joy with the letter J. Can you make the sound? Listen. J, J, J. Now you try. J. Perfect! We don't guess, we blend. Let's find our J words. J is for jam. J is for jet. J is for jeep. J is for jar. J is for jug. J is for juice. J is for jacket. J is for jelly. Wow, 8 J words! You are a phonics superstar!